Father's Day in the UK. I quite like this card. Very funny, very funny. I hope he appreciates it. I've never particularly understood buying cards. To me, they just seem like a bit of a waste of paper. So when I buy them, I try to make them as funny and silly as I possibly can. Don't know why. Definitely need a haircut, but I can't be bothered to have one at the moment, so just going to stick some stuff in it and then... Are you okay, mate? The Father's Day card went down quite well. Found it quite funny. So that is a positive piece of news from the day. We've decided to come to Manchester, get out for the day, just do a bit of photography, make a video, just be creative, because that's what we enjoy, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So who knows what's going to happen? I'm just gonna mess around with cameras. Holly needed food, so we came for food.
Always need food.
Have you chosen yet?
No.
Why?
Because it all looks so good. Why can't I just have a bit of everything?
I feel a lot better for eating. Only in Manchester, however, would you ever see this? Someone busking out of a shopping trolley. It looks amazing. The reason we've come to Manchester is Holly has bought a very nice brand new camera. What is it? The A7R2. A7R2. Very nice camera. So she wanted to come and take some pictures. That's what we're doing. She's now getting worse than me at stopping and taking pictures. It used to be me holding Holly up, and now it's Holly holding me up. We've completely swapped roles.
Yes, we have.
This is like every 5 steps we just stop and take pictures.
Hey, welcome to my life for the last 5 years. That's what it's been like dealing with you.
Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave.
One thing I've liked about today is I've tried to think of my video making a bit like photography, because when I'm doing photography, I'm literally not worrying about what I'm shooting at all. I'm just picking the camera up, clicking the shutter button and taking pictures of absolutely everything. However, when it comes to making video and vlogging, I really massively overthink it, and I tell myself that there needs to be a purpose behind this video clip, and there actually doesn't. So what I've tried to do today is think of making videos a bit like photography and just pointing the camera and filming everything. So I think that's a bit of a mind shift that I'm trying to incorporate into my videos, so I can just end up with more footage to turn into a bit of a vlog at the end of the day. Because I do really enjoy making vlogs, but as I say, I tend to overthink them, and that then takes away the naturalness. Is naturalness a word? No. What's the word? It takes away the natural essence of the video. I think that makes sense. I don't really know.
The naturalness.
Naturalness. We're about to find out if naturalness is a word. It is a word!
It is a word,
It's
I was
a word.
wrong. I take it back. Screw the natural essence.
You laughed at me when I said that.
I did, it genuinely did sound like a word.
But it is a word.
It is a word. There's something new every day.
Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days. Teenagers with too many feelings.
I think we're gonna go and head back now, get on the tram home, and yeah, enjoyed getting out and just being creative. It always helps. I say that in most videos, but when I'm creative and I just let myself film stuff, I always feel better. I don't know about you.
Yeah, loads better. Except when you overthink it.
Yeah.
Then it's a bit shit.
Yeah. There seems to be a bit of a theme to my videos at the moment, just overthinking stuff. Not deliberately, but there we go. Gonna go and see the cats. I'm missing the cats.
They're going to be loving life without us at home.
I think all they do is sleep when we're not in, and yet when we're in, all they do is run around like headless chickens.
And be a pain in the ass.
And be a pain in the ass. So yeah, gonna go and feed the cats. I can't go a day without missing the cats. It's really weird. Really weird.
They're your children, it's not weird.
Not the children.
They're your little fur babies.
Hi guys. It's good to see you. So we get home, the cats aren't even bothered by us. It's usually the way it is. He's trying to leave the room. He's just sat, not even bothered. Cats.